talking about defense, Prime Minister Modi has managed to break the deadlock over the Rafale jet deal on his trip to France, and he has promised a new deal for the Indian defense sector. With an eye on Make in India, this government is hoping to end India's dependence on imports, which currently accounts for almost 70% of our defense needs. The centre hopes to woo foreign companies and give domestic companies a push to manufacture right here. In the first of our special reports, we're looking at emerging Indian defense manufacturing companies and assess if they're indeed ready to be a part of the global supply chain. Here's a look at Samtel Avionics.
This is the Sukhoi 30 MKI, the most coveted fighter jet of the Indian Air Force. When top guns of the IAF fly this Russian-made aircraft, they rely on made-in-India displays to get their bearings and zero in on the enemy. Greater Noida-based Samtel Avionics has been making these displays for Sukhois for the past decade. We suit up to enter Samtel's state-of-the-art facility, where employees are busy assembling a wide range of display systems. Samtel Avionics follows the build-to-spec principle and boasts of 100% in-house product design and development. The mother company of Samtel Avionics is Samtel, which was a market leader in picture tubes before the world adopted flat screens. Today, the picture tube business is almost defunct, but Samtel got a new lease of life when it decided to foray into the defense sector in 2001. Since then, the company has inked JVs with HAL, DRDO, French company Thales, US giant Honeywell and Swedish firm Saab. Till date, Samtel Avionics has supplied display sets for 500 civilian aircraft to Honeywell and hopes to export about 1,000 display sets by next year. 150 military aircraft in India also use Samtel Avionics displays, which includes 110 Sukhois of the Indian Air Force. The company is all set to supply to Bell helicopters and will operationalize its new manufacturing facility with Thales. It will also supply its displays to the light combat helicopter and Tejas fighters.
Now we are looking at optoelectronics, we are looking at electronic warfare suites, we are looking at fully integrated cockpit, avionic cockpit suite.
With a liberalized FDI regime, Samtel Avionics is willing to allow its foreign partners to up their stake.
As from our perspective, we are willing to go with what is the new policy allowing, and we are looking at what Thales wants to do. So if they want to take up to 49%, it's already decided that once the ministry allows it, we will kind of go with that. So it's still kind of something, the ball is in Thales' court actually.
While Samtel Avionics is flexing its wings, it feels that the biggest challenge for the sector is the absence of guaranteed orders, which discourage foreign companies from pumping in big dollars.
The real potential lies in the commitment that the joint ventures will get from government itself. So for example, if the government starts to clear certain contracts for which these JVs will kind of deliver to, till that starts to happen, I think that confidence will never come. And that is the most important trigger. Once they see that there is a real movement in the market to grab at least 49 instead of 26, it's a big enough chunk.
Samtel has all the right ingredients to make it a key player in the global avionics arena. It has IPR, it has technology, and most importantly, it has proven experience. All that it now needs is removal of roadblocks in the current policy space. In Greater Noida, Rituparna Bhuyan.
Indian companies pushing the envelope in the Make in India thrust in the defense sector.